In this example, we will look at this example first in this lecture. We want to find out the focus, directrix, and axis for the parabola y squared equals negative 3x. How to get started? Again, remember you have three forms of the parabola. All the time, y with exponent 1 or x with exponent 1 stands alone, and the coefficient goes with a complete square. That's what you want to keep in your mind. And P is the distance between the vertex and the focal point. Okay. Now, remember one more time, 1 over 4p. Okay, that's the thing you got to remember. Now, down here, what we are given again is exponent of x, but with a coefficient. So we want to take this negative 3 to the left. Let it go with the complete square. So make this one be a standard form. So the standard form will be what? Will be the one like this. Okay. You do is divided by negative 3 on both sides. X stands alone equals negative. And here is 1/3 y squared. And when you want to compare with this one, that's the standard. Okay. Yeah, x, this variable stands alone. And then is always negative 1 over 4p. And then y squared. So we need to find out p first. You see x, x, y, y. The only thing different is downstairs here is 3. And here is 4p. Okay, so then 3 is 4p. Okay, that's what we get here. 3 is 4p. What is p? Divided by 4 on both sides. So p is 3 over 4. Okay. Now we have a p already. We know for this equation, y can be any value, positive, negative. Y squared is positive. A positive times a negative, 1/3. So it's negative. Right hand side has to be negative all the time. And x equals right hand side. So x is actually choose all the negatives. That's all the points on the left. So open direction is to the left. So this will be in your mind. Now if the open direction is on the left, then the directrix will be on the right, and the focal points or focus will be the same direction, okay, with the open direction. So open direction and focus will be the same, okay, yeah, on the same direction. All right. Now, then you roughly know is like what? Yeah, probably the picture looks like what? Like that. And then here will be what? Directrix. Okay. So we know the distance here is p. And we also know the focal point and the vertex is also p. Okay? So those two things we want to be clear. Now, then the focal point will be somewhere here. Then that's negative 3 over 4, 0. Because we know p already. So this has answered where the focus is. Focus is from. is negative 3/4, 0. Directrix has to be like that. Yeah, so that's 3/4. So here is x equals 3/4. Okay? So we have answered the second question. Then you know the axis will be what? X. So axis is x-axis. Huh? Yeah, so this question is actually not really that hard. The difficult point is you want to start with the standard one. Always make exponent, first exponent variable, the coefficient be 1. And then you compare this one with the coefficient here. So you know you can set up that. As long as you have a p, then that's easy, everything comes out. Because the distance between the vertex and directrix equals the distance between the vertex and focal point. You also know the open direction, that everything comes out to be easy to write. Okay? Alright, so for this one, we don't even have to draw a very accurate picture. This picture draft, okay, is sketched, should be good enough to go.